Hello everyone, welcome to EnglishFlash. I am Dرویش. Today we're talking about not the paragraph, we're talking about something extra that we need in the paragraph. So previously we talked about the topic sentence, the supporting sentences, and the concluding sentence. Remember guys, some students believe that when they write the supporting sentence, they're done. No, you're not done. Sometimes your supporting sentence is not clear enough. So what you gotta do is to clarify your supporting sentence. How we use that? How we do that? It's actually we must use a key. What is the key? Is the key for example or the word for instance. They have the same meaning. All right. So when you use them, you write your supporting sentence. Number one, for example, it provides our body with antioxidants. All right. So with antioxidants. Then after this, if you finish your sentence with a full stop, like this, then you write for example, the F must be capitalized, alright? So you say, for example, comma, then you write your example, then you stop with your, with a full stop, alright? Or the other way, alright? So here you don't stop with a full stop, you stop with a comma, alright? So you say it provides our body with antioxidants, comma, you must write a F here, you must write it what? Small. So for example, comma, then you complete, alright? By the way, for example or for instance, the same way, alright? The key or the trick is about the full stop, capital, not full stop, which is the comma, after it's small, alright? And after, for example, you must use what? A comma. Then you explain. So for example, you say, it provides our body with antioxidants. For example, anyone, okay? Anyone, you say antioxidants fight the cancer and kill the cancer cells in our body, all right? Antioxidants are good for your heart, all right? So now you give me the example, you explain the supporting sentence, done. Now you go to number two. For example, you say, it contains vitamin C. The same idea. For example, before you use this one with the full stop then capital with this one. Here in the second one, first, don't use for example again. Use what? For instance. Do not use the same word again and again. All right. So you have to change your language in writing paragraph. So and this is really important. Number two, to change things, all right? So for example here, I wrote, for example, with this full stop then capital. In this, I say it contains vitamin C, all right? For example, I use this one. I don't use this one, okay? So I say, comma, for example. Don't use for example, say comma, for instance, all right? But with a comma. So you write it here, for instance, vitamin C supports our immune system to fight viruses or bacteria. And the most important part, system in your body is your immune system after the nerve system, right? Good. Okay. Then you continue the same idea. I hope this is really clear, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. Tell your friends about my channel, guys. Thank you, guys. See you.